So guys, we start now our hiking. So we're gonna buy ticket first for entrance, because going hiking you have to pay always. The good thing here is not so hot because of the water. I like the sounds of the water.
Und Esel und die Antje.
The sounds of the waterfalls. Ang ganda. And over there. Here is so cool. I love it here. It's not hot. Hindi siya mainit, guys. Kasi ang water is malamig. Malamig ang simoy ng hangin. See over there? The water from the top. Yes, running down here. And look at the kids. And my husband. Yeah, she took some pete, yeah? The photo. Yeah. Only one person at a time. So this is very good, guys, hiking for 30 degrees today. But here it's cooler. Here it's 25 degrees here. -5. So it's going up. It's just a small bridge. Everywhere is waterfalls. This is our second time here. Thanks, baby.
Yeah.
So the view is always similar, but we're already maybe more than 1 kilometer or maybe 2 kilometers. Oh. It's sunny but cool. Here is 25 degrees inside. Outside is 30 degrees, so that's why we choose to come here, because here it's not so hot and it's a little bit windy. It's dark. Here's the tunnel. 1.66 meters, so it's only short. And here we are. So we are in the water now.
Ganz warm.
Oh my god! You are lying! So cool! The water is so cold! Like ice! Cold!
Gute Abkühlung. Oh, da habe ich
Oh my god! So cold! Waist and body hose. Waist and body hose.
Badehose.
बहुत kind. So we're going up, guys. Look at the stairs. Yeah, here, over there, up to there. Come on. Yeah, here, Francie. Yeah, so Francie is already complaining. Hello. She's tired. So guys, here we are on top. Shamal here. After 3 hours of walking, going up, and we are here finally. And of course, the children are very tired. Me too. So I see some houses over there. Maybe it's a farmhouse. Farmhouses. Yes, farmhouses. And it's windy. It's so beautiful here. Shamal. Here, the mountain. Mountain over there. So, and it's flat here. So,
Radler.